Hello Disney family, and welcome back to my channel. So I feel like I have a lot of new people here and I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Allison. I am a mom of 2 girls under the age of 3, and I am also an owner of a travel agency called Adventures with Alice in Wonderland, and this is my channel. So my channel has all different kinds of Disney content, including DIYs, hauls, pin videos, tips and tricks, and basically just a lot of different videos all pertaining to Disney. So if you enjoy that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I will see you back here. Now today's video is a DIY. I am a frequent goer of Walt Disney World as well as Disneyland, but this is really a Disney World DIY. So it is a Magicband DIY, and I have seen these really beautifully painted magic bands all over Etsy and Instagram, and I am not that artistic, but I still wanted to personalize my magic band. So I am going to show you how to personalize your magic band.
I give him all my love, that's all I do. And if you saw my love, you'd love him too.
So I started out by painting the Mickeys, and I used my rose gold color, and you kind of really want to be careful to make sure to get inside those lines and just, you know, take your time while you're doing it. Next, I took my sparkle nail polish and I started by just painting around the inside Mickey. And then I decided to just paint the whole thing, and I love it. It's so glittery, so easy to do, and this was literally just the easiest DIY. So with this one, I decided to paint the inside Mickey with glitter, as well as the outside Mickey. I forgot to show you I am using tweezers for this one because I am actually using the new Target line nail polish with the little Mickeys on the inside because I wanted to just put little glitter Mickeys all over. So now you'll see I'm just using the tweezers to place the Mickeys where I want them. So now I'm just using the clear part of the polish just to keep it cohesive and to keep the whole thing shiny. So I actually kept the gray part around it. This is my daughter's magic band, and you'll see me take it off, which is great because it keeps just a nice clean line. And here is the finished product. I am obsessed. I love it. It was so easy, and obviously it cost me no money to do because I just use things laying around my house. I hope you you enjoyed this Disney DIY. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me to know what kind of content you guys are enjoying, and it also lets me know to do more videos like this. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.